Meet the nimble T7 2-in-1 mopping robot vacuum. It's your new cleaning sidekick that makes your life easier. T7 is slim and compact, so it can go under low furniture and get into hard-to-reach corners. But don't let its size fool you. The suction power is strong and effective. And, of course, its mopping function can easily remove spills and stains, giving you comprehensive on-go cleaning experience. T7 works without disruption for up to 120 minutes and cleans up to 1,300 square foot coverage. Low noise is our target, with less than 60 decibels in quiet mode. What's more, we offer 4 cleaning modes to cater to your needs. Intelligent sensors prevent dropping from stair or edge. Controlling the T7 is easy and flexible. It has never been easier to customize cleaning with our user-friendly app. Of course, we are capable with multiple voice commands with Siri, Alexa, and Google. The T7 is perfect for busy households that need a little help on cleaning. Effective robot together with vacuum and mopping.